Hey, Mr. Fitz here from my basement because it's early in the morning and my strings rock sign and I've got a viola. Awesomeness. All right, so we're talking now about line 74, and just above it they have a little kind of yellowy sort of box, or orangey, I don't know what color you call that, 2/4 time signature. All right, so the time signature, as they show, the top number means 2 beats per measure. The bottom number means the quarter note gets 1 beat. And I just had an epiphany about the quarter being the beat with the 4 in the bottom, is that it's like you're saying 2/4. Not that it's a fraction, because it's not a fraction, but 2/4, meaning 2 beats per measure, and the 4th note gets the beat. And as you know, a 4th and a quarter mean the same thing. We call them in music quarter notes. All right, so anyway, now what we're going to do is we're going to do the rhythm rap, okay? And if we look at the first 2 measures, they're pretty straight ahead. They're just quarter notes, right? So you got 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and notice when I move my bow, 1 and 2 and I say 2 syllables for each bow motion because they're quarter notes. Each syllable is a half a count. Okay, so that's why we need to say 2 things to make a quarter note. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and I'm doing down, up, because that's what the symbols above those notes mean. The staple shape means down bow, V shape means up bow. Now, third measure, 1 and 2 and twice as fast, all right? So then in the 4th measure, 1 and 2 and just like the first 2 measures, right? So I think you should be able to figure this one out. Once you get it, play it on an open A or an open D, all right? Or actually any note that you want, but just as long as you stay on one note, you don't want to be changing fingers, all right? Have fun with Rhythm Rap.